If you are a Mihon user, you might have got this problem when you try to load up a manga or any sources on Mihon. It gives the error like failed to bypass Cloudflare. I'm going to show you in this video how you can exactly solve this issue. Firstly, what you can do is go to your browser and you're just going to do a Google search here for what's my default user agent. What's my default user agent, and click on the first link here from whatismybrowser.com. What is my user agent? It gives us the user agent. You're just going to copy this user agent here. Copy the full user agent string. Once it's copied, go back to home screen and launch Mihon. Go to more tab here, scroll down, reach to settings, scroll down once again. We're gonna go to advanced, scroll down and come to default user agent string and remove the pre-existing user agent string from here. Delete this and just paste the new user agent string. Paste. Once you paste it, tap on OK. You're gonna have to restart Mihon app now, meaning that exit the Mihon app from the app switcher, exit Mihon. Now there's one more step remaining, that is long tap on Mihon icon on the home screen. Tap on the I button here, info. It will lead you to the app info page of Mihon. Scroll down here and tap on storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right side here. Once it's done, you can go to home screen back. Now you can launch Mihon and the error will be gone. So this method fixes the error for almost 90% of the users. Just let me know in the comments. Just like this video and make sure that you subscribe to this channel.